Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I will show you how to screencast iOS or Android phone in Windows 11. So first, all you need to do is open your web browser and open imyphone.com. Then here on iMyPhone Mirror 2, best screen mirroring app for iOS or Android, so you can see screen mirroring iPhone and Android in PC, screen control to run mobile apps directly on your PC, stream to share your iOS Android screen with audio in real time, cast multiple screens to computers simultaneously, support the QR code scanning to cast Android screen, and transfer files from PC to Android seamlessly. So to download this one, all you need to do is click this free download button. Now, once you've done right here, need to click on this install button and try to wait until installed on your computer. So once you've done right here, as you can see, successful installation. You just need to follow these three steps right here in order to cast your phone to PC. So let's go open your app right here. So click on start now. And here you need to choose if you're iOS or Android. So click on Android and then connect your device to a PC. So you need to connect using your USB port. So once you connect your USB to your phone and your computer, so just choose a device. So click on OK. And then from here, as you can see, you need to click on OK and permission detection in progress. And from here, you just find the Xiaomi brand of this phone model. So you need to follow all the instructions right here, including the developer options turned on and USB debugging. So once you've done right here, it will now start to load here on your application. And finally, I have connected my PC or my Android phone to my Windows 11 computer. So it's the same method either you are using iOS or Android phone. So that's how you basically screencast your iOS or Android phone in Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.